Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn short composition, postcard writing and message writing. We'll start with the postcard writing. A card for sending a message by post without an envelope, typically having a photograph or other illustration on one side. Postcard chu message thonna pakhat ania envelope angai lova ale lama hian thalak te om thina chu ale lama hian aziana tura om boka tin aziana tur lai hian a chanve hi mingle address dana tur I thona te kha da angaya ti chuana box sakhi stamp dana tur ani postcard hi chini aw mang he mi sample hi kan mang lawanga post office mi zo kan mang don ani kan en zelanga stamp chungchang soile ila stamp hi ramsang shangin an nei veka khoi apo lekha thon don la atleme mo tamemo ithon donin stamp hi post office a ile yangaya ramhlade uleka ithon don chuan amante atode uleka india ram chung state a kha chuan atolu tuklawa ti chuan hi post office atanga leya bela chuan thon chwa me torani kan le kha thon de chu post office a hian seal anlo da thina chuwang chuan aranga anda lo phi chuan kan mangnon le thei don ani ti hian post office in anlo endik veka kan thon na tur a poisa ten a stamp man khan adayem ti te kha ti chuan lekha kha kanin thon thina ni tuna ero chuan mobile phone te oma olsam takin lekha thon ngai lovin stamp po le ngai lovin ti hian kanin bepop vecto thung postcard are used for sending short message by post and they are in effect informal letter written in a limited space. Postcard can be picture postcard as well. Nichina kan soyang khan postcard so short message thon na ania informal letter nian ain anga tin a limita ziana tur tamde uzia tur ne lo postcard hi chu toite zia tur ni ti chuan picture postcard po oma ti kha chu kan hre to a lim nen khan postcard kan zia dona shia tur poimo te points to remember while writing postcard. Write the place and date amun I address kha kata khan date nen da ngal tur ni the salutation comes in the next line I thona tur te ming kha idang the body of the letter follows izia tur body kha adotania subscription and sender's name should be written next. Aziak tu athon tu kha atopa khan zia turani the address of the addressee is written in the appropriate space. Ithon na tur address kha asira khan zia tur ani sample hilo enila he place ati chu I omna kha delhi ai oma date dale maya ti chuan space ida anga salutation kha dear John idang heng opposition hian ma ka pufeka mak chan vezel a omna muna theu hian da turani. I got a chance to visit an art exhibition last week. Karma Sakhan art exhibition kaltheine hun kanei hlau meya. It was a unique opportunity for me to see paintings of renowned artists under one roof. Hun thatak mei kaneya artist ti sang te mun khata anlem ziak te mu theine hun kaneya. These paintings made on papers, canvas, cloth, brass, plates, etc. Chung painting te chu paper ate canvas ate puan ate dara te le plates ate anziaka depicted the rich cultural heritage of India and left a lasting impression on my mind due to the sheer authenticity and amazing creativity. India culture ro pui taka pholan na tenia an remshiat na le an thiam na ro pui takte ril ro acham ring mai yours lovingly sangte tikhani John khanin John ne na khan sangte khana thona ti chuan John address kha asira hian ta ani sample danglo en leila Shimla 15th October 2021 he place le date kha ida space ida salutation dear mom and dad inu le pathon turania we have reached Shimla safely. Weather here is very nice and pleasant. Shimla chutlon takin kan thlenga borak po anuam khop me today we have seen snow-capped mountain and enjoyed the beauty of Shimla. Voinchu vorina akhu tlang kan thira Shimla chu moi khop me nuam kan ti khop me day after tomorrow we'll go to Manali na tuk le hian Manali lam kan pandona we will be back in 4 days nilit nuwa kan lo thengang give regards to all and especially to granny anvai min lo biak don nia abik takin kapi kha your loving daughter Jenny chuan alela ma hian address ithon na tur kha pa te ithon na tur kha ni dona an address kha in kha izia ka sira hian stamp da na tur kha space da boka sample hi hingun takin enla box pahnia oma noi zoki tia then mei turani in lo ti ve tur hi anila number 1 your old domestic help was not keeping well and has gone back to her village ina sekre khoi tu rongbol tu kha adam lowa an khwa honga since you feel worried about her health you decide to send a postcard to her asha sel da te inga event de ohleka chuwain postcard thoni tum ta inquiring about her health engi anzel sha tumin postcard thon donani draft a suitable one. He workbook page number 6 sa kha na oma I enanga a question kha thawa cham a sample te pe ki ni to a 5 marks aputona hanjak vela. Number 2 izya le tur pakhathi you are attending a football coaching camp in Kolkata. Kolkata football coaching in Naya. Write a postcard to your mother describing your experience in about 50 words. Inunhena experience it Hilton chanchin kha shil ro ti ani. He 2020 matric exam a local to a 5 marks po in. Matric exam tura in board sai ini don boka hanjiak ve chin la 50 words ani chuan tamlu tuklo tlem tuklo angai kha zianon lo itumang kim chang the ang ber si toy si in zaitum don ani. Message writing kanzirle anga. What is message writing? When a message is received over a telephone or in person for someone who is not there, then the information message has to be passed on to a person. Message writing to telephone message te ilawdong ta a midang tan idonga inay omdon lova iswale may te khangai dona chon ithu shiat information chu midang shia torin ipechong dona ni chanchin lodong tuai chang dona ni chu midang ipechong dona. To put down the name of a person who gave the message, the person who received it, and the person for whom it is intended. Message ron thon tu adong tu tana don turge ti kha izyang bukang. Tin chiang takin enge message chuan aron ken ti kha kim chang takin izya kanga date le time eng ti ka nge idon ti kha izyak bok don ne. Sample lo enila. Read the following telephonic conversation between Rahul and Sonu. Sonu is about to leave the home for school and will not be able to meet her brother Mohit. He leaves a message for him. Write the message in not more than 50 words and it comes in 5 marks. Heta hian Rahul le Sonu in biak na ania Sonu kha achuak le de don sia message tong vekama a brother Mohit tan khan message lo sia don ani. Hetihian. Rahul called up to inform you that tomorrow morning they are going to a book fair at the city center. If you are interested, then call him in the evening. Sonu. Boksa ida thlap donani. Adang lo en leila. You are Sean. You have received a telephone call for your friend Rama from one of his client, Mr. Zoro, that the meeting fixed for 5th September has been postponed to 10th September at 9 a.m. at his chamber. He added that he should also carry his laptop. And it carries 5 marks. Hey in biak na thawan hi a show na ini a telephone call idonga ithian paramatan a thopui Mr. Zoro Khan aron kola meeting an nei tur 5th September fix to kha an aron postpone thu kharon soya 10th September 9 a.m. a tho a chamber a office a tinani chu. He added that he should also carry his laptop. Laptop ron ken tur thu kharon changalani. Message su isiam ta a date le time ida a salutation Rama tikha ipe a ithian pania. Mr. Zoro rang up to inform you that the meeting for 5th September has been rescheduled to 10 September at 9 a.m. at his chamber. You are also required to carry a laptop. Sean. Tihan aron soy zong zong a message kha isoy tur zong chu meeting an son thu kha ninga atanga ni soma son le atar za tangai khoi muna office chamber a ti le I laptop iron kenangai ti kha kha a message zong chu ni meya I box a assignment iti ve dure lo enila. Number 1. Ravi received a telephone call from Mr. Lal, his uncle. He jotted down the following points. Imagine you are Ravi. Write a message for your father. Hey, he in course book page number 92 ami khani a in lauti vetor. Ravi Khan telephone call adonga uncle Mr. Lal anhe na tangin. Tichuan adon pa khan poimo a uncle ina asoi ho kha ti hian azia khom tani. Izia tor ani dona enge azia zong. Arriving Delhi 7 p.m. Send car to airport. Atlang pui kha azia ka Delhi ron thleng da saria airport a ka ron daro ti vel kha atu ka London ka chuak don ti te attend meeting but for souvenir for friends. Shian ring na tur shian te tan ti te preferably silk scarf. Big takin silk scarf ti te kharon thona hengi message a izyak donani. Number 2 en leila you are ma puya me che ni chuan ma pui manga mi pai ni chan ma puya. You have received a telephone call from your mother's friend inu chia no ne train phone call idonga Mrs. Siami. She tells you to pass on the message to your mother and you write down the following points on a notepad. Inu chia no ina inu ta na message ron thon amalo wom si lo ilo dong song ta chu izyak dola ni notepad. You are to leave for a friend's birthday party. Ichiante birthday ya ikaldona. Write the message to your mother in about 50 words. inu message tur chu 50 words in ziakla put the message in the box a ziakla hey 2016 5 marks point lo chhuaka chon hin saron pe ka hi Mrs Siami called unable to visit evening tlayaron kalman lo ti te her brother arriving a brother ron thleng khwetangin from mamit shopping to be planned tomorrow confirm on phone tonight zaina confirm ro heng hi aron ziak chu chu message a siam don tuna sample ka pek zong zong kha notebook a in da vekanga assignment ka pek chu hi in ziak ve vek pokanga tikhan in thiam to mai don ani thank you